This is a series of videos of how to use Instagram to start making money online. So have a look. How to make money with Instagram even if you have less than 400 followers. We'll see also how to partner with brands to start making money. So let me start by asking you a question. Do you think you need more than 500,000 followers to start making money as an influencer on Instagram? Think again. Nowadays, people with as low as 300 followers are making money on Instagram using this method. So let's have a look. So today I'll show you how to get started. Even if you have almost zero followers, and why nano and micro followers are taking over Instagram. So that brings out the question, what are these nano influencers, micro influencers? So a nano influencer is an influencer with less than 10,000 followers. A micro influencer is someone slightly in the higher niche with about 10,000 to 100,000 followers. So let's have a look at some examples where nano influencers and micro influencers are making money online. For example, a beauty brand called Glossier is partnering up with influencers with followers as low as 300 and basically selecting some loyal fans and giving them some merchandise and helping them promote on their Instagram channel. Another watch brand called Wellington has significantly grown their brand using micro influencers, where they give off their merchandise to these influencers who start promoting their brand to various niche audiences. So there are many brands like this doing such things. The idea is to get in touch with them to start promoting what you'd like to do. So let's see how to go about doing that. So let's break it down to steps. First, choose the niche you're in. It could be travel, it could be fitness, it could be DIY stuff. Okay, so pick your niche, exactly what you'd like to do. Brands usually like influencers who are directed in one niche. So basically, you shouldn't be posting things which are not related to that. So you should be micro focused onto that specific niche. So that's the first thought. So next thought is to create consistently and high quality content. So whether it could be photos, it could be reels, it could be stories, etc. Try and get the best content you can make and start posting that on Instagram. Next is to build a connection with your audience. So now this is a very important stage where most brands are looking with the kind of engagement you're getting on your Instagram channel, and that's how they either reach out to you, or if you are reaching out to them, it's easier for you to get them to pay you. Okay. So how do you go about reaching out to a brand? First, you can start either tagging a brand in your posts, in your DMs, and also pitching them, giving them a short pitch as to why you might be the right fit for their product, and you have the audience to promote that. Also, another idea is to collaborate with other creators. So how do you collaborate? Say you are in a niche where you are promoting supplements, you could be partnering up with another influencer or another brand who actually does other fitness products. Okay. So a few tips for how to succeed in this area. First is focus on engagement. Like I said earlier also, it's not the amount of followers you have, it's the connection you have with those followers. It's how much they are engaging with your content, and that's the most important metric. So if you have that, you can see your analytics in the Instagram app, and that's how you could promote to a brand. Next is to be authentic. Obviously, promote things that make sense to you, things that actually you like and would love to use yourself. So those are thoughts of how to start making money, even if you are a nano or micro influencer. So if you want to learn this at a high level, you can have a look at my free PDF, would be linked below this in the description, and I'll catch you out there. Also, you'd see some of my other posts. You can see my previous video where I show you how to earn selling your own products on Instagram. Also, I will be posting another video where I'll show you how to earn without having your own products or services. And check that video out. Take care. How to make money with Instagram using other people's hard work. So this is a method I've been using for years. So let's have a look what it is. Any guesses? Affiliate marketing. So a quick rundown as to what is affiliate marketing if you are unaware of it. So I like to give an example where, say I go to a restaurant and I like the food and I tell my friend about it. So that's a recommendation. Now, if I get paid for that recommendation, that's affiliate marketing. Now, the best part is my friend who goes and eats at that restaurant does not have to pay anything extra. So you might be asking, how does the restaurant earn, or why would they give you part of their commissions? So the simple logic is the restaurant has found another client without paying for them, without advertising. So you have done that work and they'll pay you for that. Now they have a lifelong customer just because you have recommended that. Now in the online world, it works almost the same. Only the commissions can be much higher in the online world, anything from 50% to even 100% commissions. So that's why I like affiliate marketing. And we'll see now how to do affiliate marketing using Instagram. So let's see how to get started. First, join an affiliate program. This could be things like ClickBank, could be JVZoo, could be Share a Sale, etc., etc. Many platforms have affiliate products. You could be also Googling certain things where brands which have affiliate programs in your specific niche. Next is to promote things that you believe in, things that mostly you have used. I would not recommend promoting things you have not used yourself. Next, you want to do is create engaging content around that genre or niche that you are working on. In your posts, in your stories, in your content, you can add in call to actions, or CTAs as we call it in marketing terms, where you say, click the link in my bio, or I'll send you the link, or DM me and I will send you the link. Next is to track your results. This could be in the dashboard. This could be a third-party app, and change your strategy and see what's working, what's not working. Now, some tips to be successful in affiliate marketing. One is do not over promote. So do not over promote. Now, Gary Vee talks about 75% content, valuable content, and about 25% promotion. So say you have 10 pieces of content, 7 pieces of content, or 8 pieces of content should be about actual value, and 2 or 3 pieces of content could be about promotions. Another tip is in your stories to have exclusive deals meant for either a day or so, and have a link either with a sticker or to swipe up, sending people to the promotion and to your affiliate link. So want to know the best affiliate programs to promote? I will be making another video on some of those. So if you want to know how to promote this at a very high level, check the PDF file in the description where you'll get greater details about this. And I will see you in the other videos. Take care. To your success. How to make money online with Instagram. Have you ever wondered how people are making their money online using any social media platforms like Instagram? So today I will show you one of the methods, and there are many more. We'll have a look at some of those others in later videos as well. So let's look at the first way of how you can do this is by selling your own products. Let me start by giving you an example. One of my friends, he was a manager in one of the local restaurants, but during COVID, he found himself hunting for a job. He decided to go online and use the cooking skills that he had to start selling meals to others in the locality. And he's pretty good at that. Fast forwarding to today, his business has really taken off, and he's doing that as a prime or the main means of his earning. He's earning full time from that. So you can see the potential here. A lot of good things can be done here on Instagram and the various social media platforms. So let's have a look. Let's dig in and see how you can do that. So let's break down the steps on how, in case you have your own product, like a cooking product or a arts product or craft product, and you would like to sell it on Instagram to people around. So how can you go about doing that? So first is build your channel around this product that you wish to sell. Now, obviously, this will go for people who already have their own products or have some skills which they want to sell online. Okay, first choose the theme, choose the product you want to highlight or showcase or sell, and your Instagram channel has to be around that. So once you've decided on your niche, on the product you're going to sell, your content should be around things like that, around showcasing your product, showing how good it looks. And also, if you have customers who have used that product, showcase how they liked it, maybe get them on an interview, get them to talk about it, possibly. Okay, so make content on that. You could just take photographs, you could take small videos on that and showcase that as your product images or product videos. Next is to have a clear call to action, or CTA as they call it in marketing terms. So after you've put in your product, either video or an image, you want to tell people what to do with that, how to get in touch with you. So mostly you'd have them linking in your bio, saying that please see the link in my bio, or it could be even a number. So getting on to the next part, you should have either your phone number or your email address or a website to which you want to direct them in the link in your bio. So directly they can get in contact with you and you can sell them what they liked. So now a few tips for being successful in this business. One is stay focused on your niche. Do not be posting images or videos of your pet on the same channel, right? So you want to be focused on that. Say it is selling your cakes. So focus on pictures and images or videos of those cakes of yours, not your pets. You could use your other hobbies or pets in your stories where you want to build rapport with your customers, where you want to showcase you as an individual, whatever likes, that could go in your stories, but not in your main content. Next tip is to post consistently. Not that you post one video today and after a month you post the next one. It's not going to work then. So you have to be consistent. Say you've decided I will post 2 or 3 videos a week. Please be consistent with that. If you're not consistent, the Instagram algorithm will not know what your channel is about, and obviously they'll not show it to people who you want it to be shown to. Next tip is to use high quality contents visuals. So Instagram is a very visual channel. So if you can get good quality photographs, good quality videos, that would help. Try natural lighting as opposed to artificial, and try and get the best images that you can. Another tip is to engage with your audience. The more you're going to engage with your audience, obviously, the more the algorithm will see this and show it to more of those kind of people. So now, final thoughts with this. Do not expect to start your channel today and tomorrow to start getting sales. It does take time. Instagram or any social media platform does take time to make the algorithm understand what your channel is all about. So do not worry. It takes time, but it's well worth it. So what product you would like to showcase? Leave a comment. Also, I will leave some links below as to how I am using Instagram. You can also follow me on Instagram. At this point of time, I've got over 60,000 followers on Instagram. So you can follow me and you can check out my content there as well. And stay tuned. I'm going to talk about other ways of earning on Instagram in my other videos. It should be somewhere out here, possibly there. Okay, so have a look. Check out the other videos as well as to how to earn from Instagram, other ways of earning from there. And I'll catch you in the other videos. Take care. Bye. How to become an affiliate marketer in 2025. We'll talk about simple strategies and we'll talk about this TLC method of affiliate marketing. So if you want to discover what this TLC method is all about, comment TLC or let's go down below. Nella Fernandez from Fit-Preneur-Ship out here. I help others start up their own side hustle with the aim of achieving true passive income and time, location, and financial freedom. Let's have a look and see what this TLC method is all about. The first thing, the T, is traffic. Now, traffic is the lifeblood of any business, online or offline. Now, how do you get this traffic? The best way is social media. Now, you can see my Instagram account where I built a following base of over 60,000 followers, and that gives me constant traffic from there. Also, Facebook is another source which I use pretty often. I've just started getting back into YouTube as well. So I'll leave links to all these channels where you can see my other content where I talk about different methods of starting up a side hustle online. Now, when I talk about social media, you might be saying, I do not want to be showing my face. I do not want my boss, my friends, or anyone I know seeing that I'm doing this. Do not worry, I have a solution for that. So stick on till the end. I'll show you about that, how you can get this traffic without even showing your face. So let's move on further then. We have seen the T part of it. Now let's go on to the lead part of it. You're leading someone to an offer. Now you could be directly going to the sales page, but I would suggest having a landing page in between. Now, what is this landing page? A landing page is where you might have seen online where you put in your email address and you get a freebie. So a landing page is essentially where someone gives you their email address in return for something. So I'll show you how to get this landing page built in another video. I'll leave this link also below this in the description. Also, if you do not know how to build a landing page, I will be talking about a landing page builder for free, which you do not have to be paying for anything out there. So the next thing is, what are you going to promote? So the main idea here is to solve a problem. Everybody is looking for solutions to certain problems or challenges that they're facing, and this product that you are promoting should be a solution to that. So where do you find these solutions? There are many places like Warrior Plus. You can see this Warrior Plus account of mine. I've got some commissions here. This is one of my accounts. Also, another place is like ClickBank. That's another platform where you can get various offers in different niches. Now, the main niches are health, wealth, and relationships. I concentrate on the wealth part of it. So if you're interested in that, stick on till the end. I'll show you other means of how you can get ahead in the wealth niche. Also, I'll show you platforms where you can get commissions of $1,000 and $2,000. I've had my $1,000, $2,000 days with affiliate marketing, and it's a great feeling. So stick on till the end. I'll show you how you can get that as well. Now, when you apply for an affiliate program, you get a unique link which is coded to you. When someone clicks and buys from that link, you get a commission. Now, the best part is that person does not pay anything additional. The product owner gives you part of his or her profits for bringing in a customer. Now, you want to know how to turn this on its head, how to start earning big from affiliate marketing. That's where the C or connect part of it comes in. Let's move on to that. Now, here's where you start building your relationship. That's why I told you we need a landing page where you can capture people's email address. If you send them directly to a sales page, you do not get this part of it, and then you can't build that connect properly. And this is where most of the commissions are made, where you're building a relationship. Someone starts getting to know you, starts liking you, starts trusting you. And that's how sales happen, because people buy from people they know, like, and trust. That's the reason why this is so effective, the connect part of it. So with this, here you set up a system once and it runs on autopilot for you. And where even when you're sleeping, you might be with your kids, you might be with your family, and commissions come in on the phone, by email, and it's a great feeling. And that's what I want for you as well. So let's see a modern way of doing this connect part of it, which is working really great at this point of time, where you can build this trust factor and take it to another level. So the next part of it is where you have your own group. Now, this could be things like a Facebook group, could be like a school group, where your prospects start interacting with you, and this is a game changer at the present moment. Alex Hormozy is known for investing in great business opportunities, and he's the person who saw the potential in things like a school group, and he's invested in this, and he's become a co-owner. So this has real massive potential, having your own group. So you want to learn how to get started with this, learn how to do affiliate marketing at a very high level. Join my free group where I share content that I do not share elsewhere. And also you'll get access to my mentor's free group where he teaches affiliate marketing at a very high level with strategies that no one else is talking about. I'll leave one link which will get you to both the groups. Now, this is where you can start earning high ticket commissions from these groups. Don't forget to join my free community and my mentor's free community as well. And you can see how these high ticket commissions are made of $1,000 and $2,000. Now, as I promised you earlier, how do you go about, without showing your face, getting content up? I'll leave a link to another video where I show you exactly how this is to be done step by step. So I'll catch you in that other video. Take care. Bye.